Let's see how the Ledger Nano S provides a simple and secure way to make Bitcoin transactions. Connect your Nano S with a USB cable and launch the Ledger Wallet Bitcoin app on your computer. We'll be watching now what happens simultaneously on your computer and your Nano S. Enter your PIN code on your Nano S and open the Bitcoin application. When your device is detected, you can access all your accounts. Open one of your accounts, then click on Send and fill in the required fields. Enter the amount, paste the recipient address you previously copied, and select the desired fees. Click on Send. To confirm your transaction, your Ledger Nano S then displays the transaction data to review, like the amount, the recipient address, and the fees. Your manual consent is required. Press on the right button to sign the transaction. When validated, the transaction registers in your account interface. Click on it to review it. Quit the app on your Nano S to safely close your wallet. There's no need to keep the device connected.